Mi gente, do you want to learn how to avoid pattern day trading, the PDT rule? Well, this video is for you because that's what we're going to be covering on today's video. For those of you that are new to this channel, my name is Sean, and this is We Are Investing, a channel here on YouTube that is dedicated in investing and personal finance. We cover all topics regarding investing in the stock market and sometimes even the cryptocurrency market. But we are by far stock investors first, and that is what we love to do on this channel. So hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and smash that like button if those topics are of interest to you. But with that being said, let's dive right into the video. To get started, what is pattern day trading? Well, this is a regulatory designation for those traders or investors that execute 4 or more day trades over the span of 5 business days using, and this is very important, a margin account. So who does it apply to? Well, it applies to traders and or investors who are using a margin account and have less than $25,000 in that brokerage account. There is a penalty if you are to get ruled as a pattern day trader in a margin account with under $25,000. The penalties are going to vary between the brokerages. Some brokerages might be more forgiving than others. Some brokerages might even be so forgiving that if you reach out to them, they will unlock your pattern day trading. But if you are using, let's say, Robinhood and you get classified as a pattern day trader, well, then you are not going to be able to trade in that account for 90 days. Essentially, 3 months, you will not be able to trade. So it is definitely crucial that you do not get flagged as a pattern day trader. So let's say that you're in this market and you had $50,000 in an account at one time and then the market tanked and a lot of stocks are down 70, 80, 90%, and you no longer have $25,000 in your account, or you never had $25,000 in your account. How can you avoid being marked a pattern day trader? Well, probably the easiest way and probably the best way, in my personal opinion, is to open up a cash account. If you have a cash account and you have settled funds, you will not get marked as a pattern day trader. Now, there are some things to know about a cash account. It's not the same as a margin account, and there are some downfalls. The biggest downfall is you need to be trading with settled funds, and it takes the trading day plus 2 additional days for funds to settle in a cash account. So let's say you execute a trade on Monday. Well, there's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Your funds will be settled by Thursday. So you need to have enough money in a cash account so that you do not start trading with unsettled funds because that is not allowed. So let's say you have $10,000. Well, if you do a day trade that's $1,000, you have $9,000 in unsettled funds. You can do another day trade, another day trade. You could do three day trades of $1,000 and you'll still have $7,000 of unsettled funds to get you up to the time that the trades that you executed today are settled, which would be the trading day plus 2 additional days on top of that. I hope that made sense, but basically with a cash account, you just need to always have settled funds, and that is the trading day plus 2 days. That's all you need to remember. Another way to avoid PDT is to open up multiple accounts with different brokers. This isn't something that I really recommend because it can be hard to keep track of all your different investment accounts. And boy, when it comes time to file taxes, you're going to have a bunch of files. But this is a way to avoid PDT because your day trades are only going to be for one account. So if you're getting close to PDT in one account, well, then you can start day trading in another. If you're getting close to that account, well, then you can hop to another and so on and so on. So if you have multiple accounts, you can pretty much day trade like anybody else out there. The next way to avoid PDT is to swing trade overnight. A day trade's only going to count if you buy and sell a stock during the same day. This includes pre-market or extended hours. But once you move on to the next day, let's say you buy a stock in extended hours, you can then sell that stock in pre-market hours and it won't count as a day trade because it's a different day. So if you start swinging stocks overnight, you're not going to get flagged as a day trader. This is the best way to do it, but if you truly want to be a day trader, this isn't day trading. It's just a quick trade. It's a quick swing trade, if you want to say that. Now, I myself am not a day trader. I don't really like trading that quickly. It's very, very hard to do, in my personal opinion. I like identifying swing trades that are going to last a couple days or even a couple of weeks, maybe even a couple of months. Those are the trades that I personally like better because I don't have to be staring at my screen 24/7. But on this channel, we talk a lot about technical analysis. And even though we're looking at charts at a larger time frame, the concepts and how we do what we do can be applied to day trading as well. But with that being said, in this video, we went over multiple ways to avoid pattern day trading. If you have some ways that you avoid PDT and you want to mention down below in the comment section, please feel free to do so. Also, comment down below on any video topic ideas that you might have. And also, if you want to support this channel, please do so by joining the Patreon. If you join the Patreon, you will get access to a Discord server, and it's there where I will notify all members on the swing trades and the trades that I see out in the market. Webull also just came out with an update. You can now paper trade options, and the screener has so many more features, so many more technical features. And on the charts, it will show you patterns as well. If you want to sign up with Webull and get free stocks, then definitely use the link down below in the video description. It will also help support the channel because we will be rewarded if you sign up and deposit $100 into a Webull account. I personally use it. I think Webull is a great brokerage. It is awesome on your mobile device. So no matter where you are, you can look into stocks and it is very powerful. But with all that being said, that wraps it up for this video. I thank you so much for your time. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. And this is We Are Investing, and together we are invincible. See ya.